Una mattina mi son svegliato. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi son svegliato e ho trovato l'invasor.
Who watches the watchmen up on the block? It's not these politicians hiding behind the cops. It's not the fake activists, snitches and ops. When the snatch vans pull up, who gets got? Riot gear goons toting chemical weapons, target makeshift shields and some pink umbrellas. Bella Chow in the air like the capsicum spread gets spicy every night.
Mayor Dirk and Page Heimel sit on informant missions. Phoenix Jones fight against the people's resistance. Fight back, Jack and white supremacists for riches. Welcome to C-Town, the anarchist jurisdiction. Listen, tear gas flooded streets persisted. I'm breaking down the barricades and de-arrested. Missing with the charges, but the state persisted. Beat case and presidents escapade acquitted. No Biden to those slave trading bastards. Admitted a cash beating so much faster.
Take it to the streets and fuck the police. No justice, no peace.
Stay fighting Mayday 5, I'm the one that master what's written, prosecutors and hearts without the pasture.
Who watches the watchmen up on the block?
Black block on your block, fuck the cops.
Been on the ground steady for Black Lives Matter. Inhale so much tear gas, I'll probably catch cancer. By the time I turn 40, riot cops in Portland, man, will beat you in the street and report that you assaulted them. That's what they tried to say when I got kidnapped by the feds in 2020. Didn't stop, I went back. Mayor is a clown, the government's a circus. Can't reform the system, let's feed it to a furnace. I'm rolling with the anarchists and radicals. Ironic, we fighting pigs who treating us like animals. You the type to speak to feds, I'm the type to de-arrest. Me and you are not the same, fuck you white supremacists. Number one demand was to fund the police, but all around the country their budgets increase. Don't be surprised if the riots don't stop, nigga.
Black block on your block, fuck the cops. I don't see shit, I don't know shit. I don't see shit, I don't know shit. Fight these swine, but we won't flip. Rather turn and die than rub my lip. You don't see shit, you don't say shit. You don't see shit, you don't say shit. In Northwest dystopia.